Okay, if you want to Java JDK 11, and if you want to download the install IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition, so you have to follow the 4 steps. So just copy this and paste on your browser. Okay, scroll down. I have to download 11.0.16, this version. This version is so stable version and used to everywhere. So that's one. Click it. Okay, it's already download. So if you are not if you're not a login in the system, so you have to face like this. So you have to create an account. After create an account, then login. After sign in, then you will be get the download. So I have already downloaded this. So install. It takes some time. Okay, no problem. This software has already been installed on a computer. Likely yes. Next. Copy new files. Okay, it's already installed. So you have to go the C drive, then go to the program files. Then you have to search the Java folder. This is the Java folder. This is the JDK version. Go to the bin folder. Then you have to click it. Then copy this, Ctrl C, and go to the system environment. System environment. That's all. So click it and go to the environment variable, and you have to select it system variable, then click it new, and variable name you will be write down Java underscore home. Then paste here. Okay. Okay. You have to go to the command prompt cmd enter, and second step cmd. Okay, the Java version. Click and paste here. Write down on click. Okay, enter. So this version already installed on your configuration. So you have to go. So you have to go third step. So copy it. Click it, new tab, paste. So this is the 30 days free trial. So that's not download. So you have to download this one. So click it, download. It will be download automatically. So okay. So I have downloaded. So go to the download folder. Click it. Yes. Okay. Next. I've already uninstalled the previous version. So if you I so click it, new. Yes, you will be see that this type of system. So after download you have to face this type of page. Next, next. Okay, IntelliJ, if you want to hit this shortcut, then you will be add open folder project. Okay, next, JetBeans. Okay, install. So it takes some time, so wait.